Sooner or later I'll be packing up the PS4 Pro and looking to upgrade to the PS5. But before we do sell it off, here are a few things we should know. Now some questions that are raising up in our heads. Can we play PlayStation 4 games on the PS5? Yes you can. The PlayStation 5 will have a backward compatibility to play your PS4 disc or digital games. So if you have a PlayStation 4 game disc, you can slot it into your PlayStation 5 disc version. Can I use a PS4 controller on the PS5? Yes you can, but only on the PlayStation 4 games for now. Sony do confirm that you can use the PS4 controllers on the PlayStation 5. This will actually save you money in buying a new one. Now this app has recently come out. You can access your PS5 via remote play on PS4, which is pretty cool. Remote play will also allow you to control your PS5 via PC and mobile devices. I suppose if you really wanted to play PS5 games with the DualShock 4 controller, this is probably one way to do it, and it's just a waiting game for us to see if it works. Will PS4 games run better on the PS5? Yes they will. As Sony has mentioned, we are expecting backward titles will run at a boosted frequency on the PS5 so that they can benefit from higher or more stable frame rate and potentially higher resolutions. Now if you're considering in selling off your PS4, make sure you go through the backup process using an external hard drive such as a SSD, which has a USB 3.0 compatibility, giving you super fast file transfers. Now you can log in through the PlayStation website and check out what you have in the library from games, demos and applications. Another way to transfer data is by using an Ethernet cable from the PS4 to the PS5, which is quicker than using Wi-Fi connection. So once you're happy with the games and the data on your PS5, this is the filing process on the PS4 before selling it off. If you go to settings, activate primary PS4. On here select deactivate. Sign back in the PS4 with your user account. Go to settings. Scroll all the way down. Go to initialization. Select initialize PS4. Select full. This will erase all data and restore factory settings. And you're all done. I'll be bringing you more tips on the PS5 soon on its arrival, so be sure to subscribe. Take care, peace.